Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a blood pressure machine by a company called iHealth. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you are going to get, of course, the blood pressure machine itself, which we're going to go over details. You are going to get a user manual that explains everything, and then you are going to get the cuff itself. So first off, let me start with the cuff because it's got a nice size here to the cuff. It can fit a diameter arm of 8.7 inches all the way up to 16.5 inches. So as you can see, it is really, really big here. They have the artery mark in a nice little red here, so that way you know when you're putting it on where to line it all up. And then when you make it nice and tight for you, it's really easy to adjust. So that way it is all hooked up nice and proper. And then it has a good diagram here with your left arm. And then the little cord here is going to plug in on that hole right there on the bottom. So now let's cover the device itself. So first off, what's great about this is it does have Bluetooth connectability to your cell phone. And you can download their app, which is called iHealth My Vitals. And that's going to basically track your blood pressure for you. You have unlimited storage through it. It's going to give you charts. It unlocks a lot of data that will be maybe helpful for you when you're tracking things. Now, if you don't want to use the app, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to because you can use the device itself. It does have a memory function, which is this little M right here, and it will store up to 99 readings. After that, you'll need to it'll wipe them out. But very, very easy to utilize. Let's go over a lot of the features here. Up at the top, it's going to have the date and the time that you can set. If you're connected to Bluetooth, the little Bluetooth light will turn on. And then down here in the corner, it's going to give you your pulse. And then, of course, it's going to read your systolic and your diastolic measurements. And if, according to the World Health Organization's recommended blood pressure stats, if it's normal, the screen is going to glow green. If it is basically kind of more elevated, either in the high or type 1, then it's going to grow, this whole screen will turn yellow. And then if it's type 2 or type 3 and you're really high, it's going to be red. So there's a nice visual cue right away that tells you where your blood pressure is currently standing. And then last thing here on the back, you can see it takes 3 or 4 AAA batteries. So it makes it great for travel. It's really easy to unplug this, bring it with you when traveling. But yeah, simply plug it in here and let it start doing its thing. So as you can see, I have the little orange screen here because my lower reading is a little high. And as you can see here, everything is easy to read in this bright screen. Now, when I use this compared to other blood pressure machine, it is pretty spot on with that one. Some of these points were only off by a couple, which could have just been from the different times I took the test. But overall, I am really impressed with it. If you are looking for a blood pressure to keep an eye on your readings, I think this one is totally worth checking out. One thing I did also want to mention that if you do have any issues, their support team is here based in the US in California. So if that's an important aspect to you, that is something that they pointed out that they pointed out in their instructions. But overall, I do totally recommend it. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're kind of curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.